This job is not to be believed, and I cannot believe my luck. I'm at the literary prime of my life, and I'm about to have the time of my life. I always long for a chance to be watching a book of my own on the screen. To look up and see stone on the screen would be better than fine. Sit by my wife in a crowd as the credits are shown on the screen. In a frame all alone on the screen, it says screenplay by Stein. Out here where nothing's how it looks, it's hard to disregard a candid stand-up guy who skips the double talk and lets you know exactly what he's thinking about you. Though I can beat the odds and meet his demands, though I'm a stranger in the strangest of lands, this mad adventure I've begun is unlike anything I know. It's gonna be a lot of work and lots of fun and pots of dough. These people try to scare you with things I've never said. I know it makes no sense. I swear I don't know why. You see me as I am. You can't believe I lie. You can't believe I do these deeds. A little man who's scared and blind, too lost to find the words he needs. I never touched that child, God, I never raised my hands. I stand before you now, incredibly afraid. I pray you understand.